Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. And today I thought I'd take a second and talk to you about this differential that we have here on the table. We just happened to finish this for a gentleman who's got a 87 Grand National. Now we're using the Mosier differential. We went with the aluminum center section. We're running our SP88 upper bearing system for the upper control arms. And this rear end has been narrowed. He's got about 1,000 horsepower going into his car. This is going to handle it just fine. We also put bare brakes on. Now this is a 13-inch 6-piston, and we're capable of doing, of course, Bears, Willwoods, and other brands as well. So this particular gentleman, like I said, wanted the bare brake package. So what we want you to know is that we have all different combinations of differentials that we do, and we can use different brake packages depending on what you are looking for. You just need to let us know. And this is a great example of what we do for your application. Have a look. All right, now that you had a look at what we do here, if you have any questions, please give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out.